Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to start learning the song Bickle, Bockle. Once the kids know how to sing the song, I have them keep the beat on their legs. First we'll start with the macro beat, so it would go like this. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. Then once they feel that, we will try the smaller beat of the song, the micro beat, and it will go like this. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. Once they felt both of those beats, I would have them feel it with marching spatially around the room. So they could try the macro beat. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. We would also try the micro beat. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. Once the kids felt both of the beats, they typically decide that the micro beat feels more appropriate for the song. So that's how we transfer it to the next step of the song. Then I'll have the kiddos get back to their just a sitting circle, and they'll join me on the ground, going on their hands and knees, and they'll practice doing that micro beat with their hands like this. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. Once I see that the kids are able to keep that steady micro beat with me, then I let them try that, moving just around the ocean, around the room, to that beat. So they'd be able to almost crawl. I call it swimming. These are their flippers as they swim. So they'd be going like this. Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. Once they're able to successfully move around the ocean to that beat, then I teach the next step of the game. So on the final word, on the word me, just choose me, they're going to be placing their flipper on another friend's shoulder. Now when they do that, that friend is required to put their hand on my shoulder, so that would mean that we are partners. I make sure to break all this down really, really clearly, otherwise there's arguments and fights later when the game actually starts. So if I went to Abby and I put my hand on her shoulder, and then Justin came up and put his hand on my shoulder, all Abby and I would have to do is have her hand go on my shoulder, and that would show Justin that he would need to go find a different partner because we are already partners. Conversely, if I don't get my hand on Abby's shoulder on the word me, and Justin does, and it goes like this, just choose me, and then I put mine on Abby's, I'm actually have to be Justin's partner. So I would, even though I wanted to be her partner, I'm with Justin and I put my hand on his shoulder like that. So we practice this part of the game next. So the kids are swimming around. They also need to know that they can't go before the word me. So I pretend to be the fisherman, and I catch any fishies that are jumping too soon. So if they're going, just choose, I catch them. Once the kids get this whole concept, then we start to play the game. And if a kiddo doesn't get a partner on the word me, they know they have 5 seconds to swim around the ocean to find someone. And I would just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If a fishy hasn't found a partner then they actually have to sit out. They don't get to do the special part of the next game. So you want to make sure that you're playing this game with an odd number of students. If there's not an odd number, then you get to play with them. And the leftover fishy that doesn't have a partner, they are out. And then you can just keep whittling it down until there are just 2 fishies left, and those are the winners of the game. So that's the basics for the game Bickle, Bockle. Now if you check out the teacher tips and tricks version of this, I'm going to be sharing a bunch of different extras that I usually do to keep the kids that are out engaged, and it makes it a lot more interesting, and it also gives you a chance to hear your students do some solo singing. So it's a great, great thing. Be sure to check that out in the videos. Make sure to comment or add any suggestions if you can in the comments below. And be sure to check out my website and subscribe and share and all that jazz. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bickle, Bockle, blue bottle, fishies in the sea. If you want